Marhaban everyone, welcome back to our Arabic lessons. Today we are going to learn how to say large numbers in Arabic like the years 1997 and 2024 etc. This might sound challenging, but if you know numbers from 1 to 100, you are already halfway there. Before we get started, if you haven't watched our video on numbers from 1 to 100 yet, the link is in the description below. Make sure to watch it first as it will make today's lesson much easier to understand. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video and leave a comment. Your support helps us keep making these lessons and we love hearing from you. Let's start now. In Arabic, large numbers are built by combining thousands, hundreds, tens, and units. Let's see how can we make 1997 in Arabic. We say 1997. Here's how we do it step by step. First we say alf for 1000. Next we say tis'umi'a for 900. Then we say sab'atun wa tis'un for 97. Now when we put it all together, we get alf wa tis'umi'a wa sab'a wa tis'un. That's how you say 1997 in Arabic. Let's try another example, the year 2024. For 2000 we say alfani. For 24 we say arba'a wa ishrun. When we put them together, we get alfani wa arba'a wa ishrun. That's 2024 in Arabic. Let's try some other example, then you can understand it better and try to listen carefully and try to understand, then try to make your own examples. 1950, alf wa tis'umi'a wa khamsun. Alf wa tis'umi'a wa khamsun. Alf wa tis'umi'a wa khamsa wa sittun. Alf wa tis'umi'a wa khamsa wa sittun. 1973 ألف وتسعمائة وثلاثة وسبعون. ألف وتسعمائة وثلاثة وسبعون. 1985 ألف وتسعمائة وخمسة وثمانون. ألف وتسعمائة وخمسة وثمانون. 1995 ألف وتسعمائة وخمسة وتسعون. ألف وتسعمائة وخمسة وتسعون. 1999 ألف وتسعمائة وتسعة وتسعون. ألف وتسعمائة وتسعة وتسعون. 2002 ألفان واثنان. ألفان واثنان. 2010 ألفان وعشرة. ألفان وعشرة. If you want to know how to use these numbers in sentences, so just write interested in the comment section. So inshallah, we will try to make another video how to use these numbers in our sentences. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting videos. For now, ma'a salama. See you in the next video.